in Kubernetes, pods, the ReplicaSet, and matching labels. Today we're going to create pods 1 and 2 with matching labels. Then we're going to create the ReplicaSet front end with the replicas of 5. Then we're going to change the labels on pods 1 and 2, reapply, and see how the ReplicaSet responds if it keeps its desired state of 5 replicas. Now we got the pods RS YAML applied. Now we see that we have pods 1 and 2 with matching labels. Shortly we're going to apply the front end YAML. With the front end YAML has been applied, and we have 3 front end replicas and 5 matching labels. We have pods 1 and 2 on the left panel, and the ReplicaSet and the pod name on the front end, and the specs is 5, and the matching labels is front -1. In the right panel we see that we do have all the same labels and they all match, so that means the ReplicaSet now controls all 5 of the pods and the front ends. And now we're going to change the labels in the pods 1 and 2, and we've applied that. Now you can notice that the front end pods created 2 additional pods, so now we have 5 front end pods. And now on the left hand side we can look at the NS YAML file and now the ReplicaSet front end YAML file, and we see that those the changes to the pods 1 and 2 and the NS have changed the labels, so the ReplicaSet no longer controls those. So what we see here is that the ReplicaSet works as a high availability to the replicas, and that it will guarantee that there will be 5 pods in operation. And even if the label of the pods do not match the labels of the ReplicaSet, the desired state is kept. We covered Kubernetes ReplicaSet.